Mastering the phrase, in my opinion. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase in English, in my opinion. This phrase is a key part of expressing personal thoughts and viewpoints in English. Whether you're in a casual conversation or a formal discussion, knowing how to use this phrase effectively can really enhance your communication skills. So, let's get started. In my opinion, is a phrase used to express a personal belief, feeling, or thought. It's a polite way to introduce your viewpoint without presenting it as a fact. This phrase is crucial because it differentiates between what is a universally accepted fact and what is a personal perspective. Examples: in my opinion, the movie was fantastic. In my opinion, we should start the project sooner rather than later. You can use, in my opinion, in various scenarios, such as debates, to present your side of an argument. Discussions, when sharing your perspective on a topic. Writing, to state your viewpoint in essays or reports. Key points, it shows respect for others' opinions. It softens statements to avoid sounding too assertive or rude. To add variety to your language, you can use synonyms or similar phrases. Here are some alternatives. I believe that. I think that. From my perspective, as I see it. Note, each of these alternatives has a slightly different nuance, but they all serve the purpose of introducing your personal viewpoint. Be cautious not to overuse, in my opinion, as it can become redundant, especially if it's clear that you're stating your viewpoint. Also, avoid using it in situations where facts are required, such as in scientific or technical discussions. In my opinion, is a versatile and important phrase in English communication. It allows you to express your thoughts respectfully and clearly. Remember, effective communication is not just about what you say but also how you say it. I hope this video helps you in articulating your opinions more confidently in English. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.